Hi children, good morning to everybody. After a long time, after the lockdown, we all are going to meet again. You already learned so many items and you brought so many prizes for our school. So, today I am going to teach for you one of the Lord Shiva item, Shiva Kaivara Nartanam. It is Kannada Ragam, Chaturusra Jati Adatal. It's very easy to learn this item. This is very competition item. So you have to learn this item. Now I am going to sing the song. First of all, just only the jati and one stanza, it means one charanam. I am one bowl and one charanam I am going to teach, that's all. Very simple step, that one. Just listen. After that I am going to teach this jati and charanam. Very easy movement, right? Now, Tate te dattam kridagate te dattam tate te dattam kridagate te dattam tate te dattam kridagate te dattam tadhi krutakujam tadivita kidatakajam tak kidataka dik kidataka tom kidataka nam kidataka tadhi krutakujam tadivita kidataka jam tak kidataka dik kidataka tom kidataka nam kidataka takidata kidataka ta kidataka dik kidataka di kidataka tom kidataka nam kidataka takidata Natana Bhujanga Ekambralinga Para Gangadhara Varatunga Vrushabatoranga Madana Vibhanga Natana Bhujanga Ekambralinga Para Gangadhara Varatunga Vrushabatoranga Madana Vibhanga Natana Bhujanga Ekamralinga Para. Okay, only this song and jati I am going to teach for you. Very easy, this one. Now, first of all, I am going to teach just leg movement, after that hand movement. Okay, one. First you have to enter, you are going to enter on the dais. How you have to come this one? Just you are entering on the stage. One. See that one? Tate te dattam kridagate te dattam tate te dattam. One step forward. Kidataka ate te dattam. And left hand like this. Take the kapita position. Kapita, this mudra you have to take. Keep it. And right leg kunchita padam and little bit bend down and take one round. Ta neck movement and look at your hand movement. Smile. Ta te te dattam kidataka te dattam. This one. Right? Again I am going to show. Again put your hands like this. Take the patak hasta and go back and just see the movement, right? 1, 2, 3, start. Ta dei dei da da tam kida ka dei dei da da tam. You are now center on the stage. That's ta dei dei da da tam kida ka dei dei da da tam. And left hand is dola hasta and kapita, and put your hands and little bit down and only down. Ta dei dei da da tam, elbow up and little bit down, 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 neck movement. Okay, now I am going to show only the leg movement. Tadhi, kruta kucham, tadivi, takita, takacham. This bit I am going to show the leg movement. What's the leg movement, right? 1. Ida, tadhi, kruta ku, diditai. Jump on your right side. Jump. Lift up your leg. Tadimi takita taka. Jump. Again. 1. First you have to beat on your right leg. Tadhi kurutaku. Diditai. Kurutaku. Jump. Hold your left leg. Tadimi takita taka. Jump. You have to wait. Jump only. You have to do the Diditai. Continuously I am going to do this one. See that? Tadhi krutaku jam. Tadimi takita taka jam. Now tak kita taka dik kita taka tom kita taka nam kita taka nam nam kita taka. Here the leg movement little bit different. See this leg should come front. Tak kita taka dik 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 tai. Now back on kunchitam tom kita taka back nam kita taka nam nam kita taka over. Now I am going to do this one. See that 1, 2, 3 start. Tadhi krutaku jam. Tadimi takita taka jam. Tak kita taka dik kita taka tom kita taka nam kita taka nam nam kita taka. Right side over. Same left leg. Same left. See that movement. 1, 2, 3 start. Tadhi krutaku. Jump on your left side. Jump. Tadimi takita taka jump. Left leg. Ta. See the leg movement cross. Ta front. Ta kita taka cross. Dik kita taka back. Tom kita taka nam kita taka nam nam kita taka. Now I am going to start the leg movement and hand movement. Right? Put your hand. See, you have to start with your right leg and right hand. What's this? The one. Just this hand should be front. And see that. Krutaku. 1. Didhitai. Tai. Didhitai. Jump. Jump like this. Jump. Up. Tadhi. Krutaku. Jump. Like this. Tadimi takita taka. Jump. Touch the ground. Then take this pataka hasta, stretch. Now we have to do tuck. See this one, tuck. You have to beat. This is the hand movement. See the different movement. 1, 2, 3 start. Tuck, kita taka, dhik, kita taka, back side, tom. Tripata. Take the position, right leg back side, hand should be here, nam, tom, kit, takka, look at the hand, nam, kit, takka, after that, tai, thi, tai. Very simple step. Same, you have to do left side. How? 1, 2, 3, same left, 1, 2, 3. Put your hand like this. Tadhi. One step forward. Same right. How you did? Same left also. Did-tai. Di-tai. Krutaku. Jump. Jump on your left side. Take the Kataka Mukha position. Jump. Hold your leg. Tadimi takita taka. Jump. Did-tai. Touch the ground. Then this movement you have to do the left leg side movement. See that one? Ta, kita, taka, dhik, kita, taka, tripata, tom, kita, taka, tripata, nam, kita, taka, bend. Nam, kita, taka. That's all. First, that bit is over. Next one. Tak, kita, ta, kita, taka, tak, kita. 1, 2, this time. See this one? Tak, kita, only one. Ta, kita, taka. Next, 2, this time. Dekidata, thi, kita, tak. Again, 1, 2, this how? 1, takidata, ta, kita, tak. Dekidata, thi, kita, tak. Next, 1, this leg movement. Now I am going to teach the hand movement. 1, take this, Kataka Mukha Mudra. 1, see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it? 1, 2, 3, start. Takidata. This one 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Takidata, ta, kita, taka, dekidata, thi, kita, taka. After that, tongidata, kidata, namgidata, kidata. 1, 2, 3. You have to go on your left side, on your toes. You have to keep the balance on your toes and go left side. After that, tongidata, kidata, press. Namgidata, press. Then, nam, kita, tak. See that one? One very easy steps. Just see this. Tongidata, kidata. Namgidata, kidata. Nam, kita, tak. Got it? Now, leg movement and hand movement and facial expression also you have to do. Look at your hand. Yato hasta, tato drishti. You know that. Right. 1, 2, 3. Look at put your hand. 1, 2, 3. Start. Look at this. Tom gidata, kidataka. The hand should go and bend your wrist, hand straight. See this one. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Start. Tom gidata, kidataka. Nam gidata, kidataka, nam, kitta, takka. This step you know that, right? After that, tak kidataka, kidataka, tom gidata, kidataka, nam gidata, kidataka. You have to move on your right side. See this one? Turn this right side. Digi, down. Same left. Digi, down. Now you have to come front. 1, 2, 3. Digi, down. Digi, 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 thumb. Right, left, front, and front. Total how many times? 4 times. Now, takkidaga, right side you have to go. Dekkidaga, left side you have to go. Tomgidaga, namgidaga. Right, left, front. One. See the movement. Take this Tripata. Very easy movement. Go front. Takkidaga. Dekkidaga, front. Tomgidaga, namgidaga. Now 4 digitai. 1, 2, 3. Take this. Digitai. Takkidaga, dekkidaga, tomgidaga, namgidaga. Takkatadiginatu. Takkidaga, dekkidaga, tomgidaga, namgidaga. Takkatadiginatu. Now, very easy step. Put a hand, open, and come. Diditai. 1, open, come, diditai. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, see that one? Taka, diki, taka. Takatadiginatu. Taka, diki, taka. Takatadiginatu. 1. Put your hands like this. 1, 2, 3, start. Taka, diki, taka. Takatadiginatu. Taka, diki, taka. Takatadiginatu. Taka, diki, taka. Takatadiginatu. Top. Beat your right leg and right hand. Top. Right and left again at a time. Top. Put your hands. Hold your right leg. Jump back. Top. Jump back. One step. Jump. You have to one arm distance. You have to jump. See this one. Top. Top. Got it? Now we have to do Ganga that Sharanam. Right? 1. Okay. Now you have to do the Charanam. 1, 2, 3. Put your left hand like this. This hand should go up like this. Hand movement. See this one? Kapita. And Alabadma. See this one? 1, 2, 3, start. Ganga Darabara. And take the Pataka Mudra. This Lord Shiva on the top of the head. Ganga Devi will sit here. And Ganga, the Ganga river. You have to show the river movement. Ganga Darabara. How? Ganga Darabara. 1. Simple. Tunga. Vrushabaturanga. Vrushabam. Like this. Buffalo. Like this. Vrusha. Take your this one. Take this hand. Reza. And Vrushabaturanga. Keep it on this hand like this. Vrushabaturanga. Madana Vibhanga. Take this. Go like this. Madana Vibhanga. Madana. Like this. Vibhanga. Take this mudra like this. Got it? 1, 2, 3, start. Madana Vibhanga. Snake. Pure movement. Natana Bhujanga. Natana Bhujanga. Take the Shivalinga. Ekamralinga. Like this. Ekamralinga. Para. Look up here like this. That's all. Today you have to learn this one along with the hand movement and leg movement. Right? 1, 2, 3. Now see the movement. 1, 2, 3. Start. Put your hand like this. Fold your left leg. Go back. Ganga Darabara. Got it? Then bend down. Bend down. Tunga. One step forward. Vrusha. Take this one. Vrushabhatu Ranga. Take this leg up. Very simple movement. Hand movement and leg movement. Together you have to keep it on the Vrushabhatu Ranga. Then take this bow movement. 1, 2, 3 start. Go back. Madana. Madana Vibhanga. Madana. And you have to take this Vibhanga. Very serious. The Lord Shiva is opening the third eye. Okay? Like this. Vibhanga. Look at the corner and expression. Very serious. Take some breath. You will get angry like this. Vibhanga. Then bring this left leg down. Little bit closer. Natana Bhujanga. Neck movement. Natana Bhujanga. Sarpasesha. Here, this Dolahasta. Natana Bhujanga. One step forward and bend down. Ekamralinga. Bahu. Parak. Look at up. Same left side movement. You have to do the left side movement. 1, 2, 3 step. Put your hand. And right leg you have to go back. Ganga Daravara Tunga. Same. Vrusha. Go front. Vrusha Bhaturanga. Take your left leg and hand movement. Vrushabhatu Ranga. Side you have to give. Madana. 1, 2, 3. Take the bow movement. Left side you have to go. Madana. And open the third eye. Means you have to take the front leg. This leg with Bhanga. Hit like this. We open the third eye and expression Vibhanga. Fully stretch your hand. And go front. Same leg. Natana Bhujanga. Now you have to change the mudra. Eka